Are you feeling chilly at home because your heating system isn't performing as it should? This could be costing you money and maybe a safety issue as well. Save big today with our limited time 50% off our 21-point furnace inspection and tune-up. We will also perform an evaluation of your ductwork and indoor air quality test. Dial 970-640-3741 or visit our website to schedule your appointment. Just had my furnace serviced, couldn't be happier. Prompt and professional. Take control of your home's comfort. Call us or visit our website to snag this deal before it's gone. We hope to serve you soon.